Kurşun geçirmez giysi ve kask takan bir adam Houston sokaklarında hızla ilerliyordu. Yaşanan olaylar Houston polisinin gözleri önünde yaşanan korkutucu bir gerçekti. Houston'da güneşli bir hava var ve bir polis memurunun normal rutini ansızın bozulur. Sürüş sırasında belirlenen sürüş yapan kişi durmayı reddeder ve başlangıçta standart bir trafik kontrolü gibi görünür. Olayın başlangıcı gibi olan durum hızla yüksek bir hızla gelişir ve birçok masum vatandaşı etki altına alır.
It's pulling over next to the gas station right here at the intersection of Orm and Stankley. Driver, can you roll down all of your windows, please? Roll down your windows. All of them. You don't have a front plate on your car. It's a traffic stop. Roll down your windows for me, please. Roll down your windows. I'm not going to ask you. Take a...
Devriye aracındaki üniformalı polis memurları Buxley Caddesi 13.900 bloğunda Howard'ı durdurmaya çalışırken ışıklarını ve sireni açık tutuyorlardı. Howard, araca kısa bir süre durduktan sonra polis memurlarıyla kısaca konuştu ve ardından kaçmaya başladı. Bu kaçış kararı, basit bir trafik kontrolünden aktif bir kovalamacaya dönüştü ve tehlike seviyesini önemli ölçüde artırdı.
Sarge, clear to pit.
Still southbound coming up the stairs. Gun!
All right, back off. He's pulling the gun out the window.
Mike! Go, Mike, go! Go. Keep on going.
Just be careful, bro.
Eastbound on Simpson Road. Hey, James, be careful. He got the gun. He got the gun out.
Northbound on Buxley.
Northbound on Buxley.
From Sims Road.
From Simpson Road.
Hey guys, keep your distance. Be aware of that gun for cover.
Monitoring, get across the chain line. Stop, we're launching. Alright, so rifle, warning out the window. Be careful.
Shots fired.
Memurlar ikinci bir P.I.T manevrası yaparken Howard sürüş camından dışarı eğildikçe ve silahını memurlara doğrulttuğunda durum aniden tehlikeli bir hal aldı ve kovalayan memurlar için acil bir ölüm tehdidi oluşturdu. Böylelikle olayın akışı dramatik bir şekilde değişti ve memurlar artık sadece kaçan arabayla değil, silahlı bir tehdit ile de baş etmek zorundaydılar.
Get in the car! Get in the car!
Hey, my camera fell off!
It's all right.
My camera fell off!
Shit, bro. It's all right. He pulled.
Watch! Go!
Cut the sirens. Cut the sirens.
Get out the vehicle!
Cut the sirens.
Hey, cut the sirens! Cut the sirens! Driver! Get out of the car!
Give commands, bro.
He's trying to get out.
Driver! Get out of the car!
One person.
Where's the rifle shit?
Get up.
Your hand! Hand! Driver! need both of your hands. Do it now. Driver, both of your hands. Put them out of the car. Driver, both of your hands. Out of the car. Do it now.
Channel Southwest.
Driver, put your hands out of the car. Do it now.
Breathe. Composure. Good.
Driver, put both of your hands out of the car and do it now.
Martinez, if you want to tell them over the PA too.
I got one.
Driver! Step out of the vehicle with nothing in your hand!
Both of your hands out of the car. Do it now.
Driver! Step out of the vehicle with nothing in your hand!
Step out of the car with both of your hands. Do it now.
Sir, 13 hour Buxley.
Vehicle with nothing in your hand!
Fuck.
Step out of your vehicle with nothing in your hand! That's right.
Driver, both of your hands out of the car. Do it now.
9117. Stay away from you. He's still in the car.
17, go ahead.
Driver's still in the passenger vehicle, refusing to get out. If there's units coming, do not have them come down Buxley from Orem, because they'll be in crossfire. They need to come up Simsbrook to Buxley.
Driver, put both of your hands.
Olayda gerçekleşen kovalamaca kısa süre içinde son bulduğunda aracını durdurdu ve kritik bir anda ikinci kez camdan dışarı eğilerek memurlara doğru yeniden silahını doğrulttu. Yetkililer endişelenip ateş etti. Howard'a en az bir kurşun isabet etti. Memurlar yalnızca kendi güvenlikleri için değil, yakındaki bir okulun güvenliği için de kaygılanmıştı. Bu karar, öldürücü bir silahla yapılan tekrarlayan tehditler ve daha az öldürücü yöntemlerin etkisiz kalmasının ardından alındı.
Out of the car. Get out with nothing in your hands. Do it now.
That's clear. Units do not come down Buxley from Orem.
Step out of the vehicle.
They said they were long.
Driver, both of your hands out of the car. Do it now.
Good, Mike?
Yeah.
Driver, both of your hands out of the car. Do it now.
Yeah, that's clear. Go on the bulletproof vest and the bulletproof helmet.
Hey, PA works? Yeah, get in there. Get in there. Push out, push out, push out.
Yes, he's currently in a ditch. He's not able to get the vehicle out of the ditch. Driver's door is open.
There. Go in the back. The back seat. Go in the back seat. You shut it up?
Yeah.
Driver, get out of the car.
100 Buxley.
All right, I got commands.
Take him.
Remember, step out of the vehicle with nothing in your hands. Driver, the wind escalates. Step out with nothing in your hands.
Holy. You got movement, driver side.
You good, bro?
Driver!
Hello, two. You're on the way over.
Driver, the wind escalates. Step out of the vehicle with nothing in your hands.
Do we got long coverage on the other side?
Yes. Yeah, we're good. We're covered all the way around.
Driver, the wind escalates. Step out with nothing in your hands.
Yeah.
Who's got it?
All right, his foot's off the brake now.
Who's got the Houston's shot?
Is the tire spinning?
Yeah, it looks like he's moving.
Okay.
Hey, tell that unit not to come down here. They're blocking the street.
I already did.
Hey, that marked unit, you're good there. Block that street. Get out of your car and get out of the way.
We're good.
Southwest channel.
Hey, Dell. Get back on commands, please. Someone get on commands.
That's clear.
Hey, pass it down.
Who's gonna breach it out?
No, pass down info.
Hey, stand by. He's gonna breach out the back window with the 40.
Pull up to me. Come up to me.
We got you covered. We got you covered, though.
You don't lie with me.
Yeah. Yeah, be ready. You might shoot back.
Yeah.
They're closed, sir. Everybody's signing on air.
Coming out.
Put your hands up! Hands up!
Put your hands out of the car now. Hands up, all the way up, all the way up.
No search was on. We're there.
Face away from us. Face away.
Have him take his vest off.
Take your vest off! What is he? What is he doing?
He's taking his vest off. Hands back up!
Hands back up! Drop it!
Hands up, all the way up.
Right hand.
Reach back to your collar and lift your shirt.
Pop him in the leg.
Stay in a circle. Turn. Turn. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Get your hands up!
Keep turning!
Keep turning.
Hey, those officers over there, get out of the street. Get out of the street.
Walk backwards and bend your voice. Keep walking back. I'll tell you when to stop.
Push right, push right.
Hey, stay on that vehicle. Stay on that vehicle. Put your hands all the way up!
Hands all the way up. All the way up, your hands.
Push me.
Bring him back behind the car. Hey, I'm on him. Stay on the vehicle.
Yo, push right.
Martinez, you got the vehicle still?
Got commands, boss.
I'll get the vehicle.
All right.
I'm on the car.
Put your
All
hands
right.
all the way up! All the way up! Keep walking backwards!
Well,
Keep going!
he might fight too when he
Keep
gets there.
going!
You want to prone him out?
Keep going!
I mean, he might fight us when he gets over here, so that's all I'm saying.
Just
All right.
let him do it.
Keep going! Keep going!
We got it over here. We got it over here.
Go ahead.
Suspect, stop. 3 steps to your left. Keep going. Take 1 step. Left.
Is he hitting the back?
Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah.
To your left.
All right.
Moving to your right.
I lost priority of fire on the suspect.
We should have him right now.
Okay.
Suspect, keep walking back. Get out of my voice.
Hey, I got him. Guess what? Just stay on the car.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
Walking back. Keep walking back. Keep coming. Keep coming.
I'm switching over to the...
You're good. Just comply. We're going to get you medical help here in a second, okay? Push up. Down. Or,
Check if there's anyone else.
hey, come over here. Come over here. You guys, I got a med bag. Who's got a med bag?
Hey, quick.
Y'all know what y'all need to do? Med bag, med bag, med bag.
Let me tell the truth what y'all need to do.
We're going to get you a med bag. Just
What y'all do? Get the murders out the police department. Quit fucking them young hoes in the police department. That's what y'all do.
hey, we're going to get you medical help. Just
Yeah,
relax.
y'all quit fucking them women in the police department. Y'all, all that's gonna get out. Y'all got murders in your fucking police department, dude.
Sarge,
What the fuck y'all do?
Sarge. We need, give me a scissors. Somebody give me a scissors.
Hey, where's George?
It's gonna be a fucking walk. Cause y'all was fucking them hoes in the police department. And y'all got murders in your fucking police department.
His wife is on the south side over there. Just be careful. Okay.
Ain't nobody in there, man. Ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Stop. We gotta get a medical. Turn around. I'm gonna cut your shirt.
Man, you know what? Thank you for being nice. I want you in the station.
Med bag. I need a med bag.
I got Chesty over here.
I want your information, man. At least you real careful.
I got you. I don't know. We don't know. It's a gunshot wound, bro.
Jackie.
You okay? How do you feel right now? Are you all right? Where's the pain at? Do you feel pain? Yes or no?
You know what, man? I want your information.
You got gloves?
You kill, man.
I got gloves.
I need gloves.
You kill, man. I want your information.
Just relax. Just relax.
Because you do kill, man.
I got you. Yeah, I got it.
Hey, real quick.
Y'all
I'm
fucking
just do a back to me real quick on it.
I'm just gonna make sure you don't got any other wounds on you.
Man, you the only one being all
I
right.
got you.
too.
You just
I
relax.
respect that, man.
Just relax. Just relax.
Memurlar Howard'ı gözaltına aldı ve ilk yardım uyguladı. Bu, silah kullanımı sonrası protokolün önemli bir yönüdür. Sağlık görevlileri Howard'ı bölgedeki bir hastaneye götürdü. Burada tedavi edildi ve daha sonra taburcu edilerek Harris ilçe cezaevine sevk edildi. Howard, 183. Eyalet Bölge Mahkemesi'nde. Bir polis memuruna karşı 4 ayrı ağır saldırı suçlaması ve bir araçla kaçma suçlamasıyla yargılanmaktadır.